Children, you will open an English notebook and in the new page you will write today's date. What is today's date, children? Yes, 31st. So 31/8/20. Okay, children, you will write the date inside the margin and we'll write the heading C.W. Classwork. Finger space E, finger space SOUND, sound. Finger space WORDS, E sound, words. Now we will draw 3 lines in the notebook. Okay, children? 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay? Now, we will leave the first line. Okay, children? In the next line, we will draw the picture inside the margin. Okay? And we will write the spelling. Now, look at this picture, children. Which color is this? Yes, good. Red. So, we will draw the picture inside the margin. You'll draw a circle, children. Okay, a small circle and color with crayon or pencil, color pencil, red. You will color this circle in red color. Okay, children. Now, we'll write the spelling of red. D. Red. Once again. D. Red. Okay. Now, look at this picture. Yes, very good. Peg. Now, what is the meaning of peg? A piece of wood or metal on a wall or door that you can hang your clothes or coat. Okay, children? Now, we will draw the picture in the next line. You will draw a square first. Okay? Sleeping line, sleeping line and standing line. Then in middle of the square, you will draw 2 sleeping lines and go upwards a standing line like this and a circle. Okay, children? What is the spelling of peg? P-E-G. Peg. P-E-G. Peg. Very good. Now, which is this picture, children? Yes. Hen. Now we'll draw the picture of hen. Slanting line, sleeping line, and from slanting line you will write like 2, and from here, from this sleeping line, a curve like this and an eye, and you'll draw a feather, go up, a small curve, go up, a curve and touch this curve, and on the top also, on the head, curve, go up and curve. And 2 standing lines down, slanting line and slanting line. And for another leg, slanting line and slanting line. So we'll write the spelling of hen now. Hen. Hen. Okay. Now, look at this picture. Yes, it is keg. Now, what is the meaning of keg? A round metal or wooden container used to store. Now, look here, children. A curve. We'll draw the picture first. A curve like this. and draw a sleeping line. Write like C. One more curve from the other side and a sleeping line. Inside you will draw two curves and a sleeping line, and down also a curve. Now the spelling of keg. K, e, g. Keg. One more time, children. K, e, g. Keg. Now, which is this picture, children? Yes, good answer. Den. What is the meaning of den, children? A place where wild animal live. Lion lives in a den. Now, shall we draw the picture now? Yes. Curve. One more curve down. And this side you will draw two circles. And the other side also you will draw two circles. Two ends, two circles. Okay. Spelling of den. D. E. Den. D. E. Den. Now, look at this last picture, children. Yes. What is this picture? Net. Very good. A net is a fabric with a open mesh. Okay. Now, we will draw the picture. Sleeping line. A curve. Write like capital U. Inside the curve, you will draw two standing lines and two sleeping lines. And from this corner, a slanting line and join it. The spelling of net. E, t, net. One more time, children, we will write. E, t, net. Children, you will write 4 times in your notebook. You will say and write neatly. Once again, shall we repeat the words? R, ed, red. P, egg, peg. H, en, hen. K, egg, keg. D, en, den. N, et, net. Okay, children, you will write neatly. Thank you, children.